In the last video, I explained how the physical appearance is very important to a man. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about 3 style mistakes that most gentlemen make. The first style mistake that most gentlemen make is having a single styled wardrobe. Now, this single style wardrobe is usually influenced by their job. For example, if you work in a bank, you will most likely have a wardrobe full of suits. If you are towards the tech, you will have a lot of casuals. And also, if you are the type who prefers to wear kaftans, you will have a lot of kaftans. The problem with having a single style wardrobe is that most of the time you will be inappropriately dressed. For example, imagine being a tech guy who has more of casual outfits. What will happen when you need to wear something nice to church or for a wedding? Or you have beautiful suits and then you need to hang out with the guys on the weekend or attend an evening celebration like a baby dedication? Or would you wear the kaftans that you have to a club? Of course not. So you want to have a wardrobe that has a little bit of everything. For example, you want to have the suits, the kaftans, the casual, and of course gym outfits that you can use to meet all your needs for your day-to-day activities. The second style mistake that most men make is thinking that tight clothes are the same with well-fitting clothes. Even these, I've been very guilty of it. As you grow older, you'll probably be walking more or moving around more. So you want to go for outfits that are breathable and are more comfortable, but yet very stylish and show your silhouette. They don't have to be tight for them to show your silhouette, especially when you begin to add more weight in different parts of your body. There was a time I saw a guy wearing a particular suit. I could tell that if this guy should take one deep breath, that suit is gone. It don't finish. The third style mistake that most men make is not knowing their body type. To be very honest, even for me, I lived in denial of my body type for a very long time. So we have the slim, that is, you are slim with no muscle definition. Then we have the slim with muscle definition. We have the slim with a little bit of fat. That is, if you remove your clothes, you have some fat in some areas, but when you are dressed, you look slender. Then we have the fat, that is, you have fat all around. Then we have the chubby with flat stomach. Yes, I've seen people that are chubby with flat stomach. So if you fall into any of these categories, it will be better if you know it, accept it, and dress accordingly. So that is it, guys. Different style mistakes that gentlemen make. Now, on to the next segment. The bro code from the last video states that if a bro should ask you about his date, always give an honest opinion. In my opinion, sorry, I cannot adhere to this bro code. In fact, my position is the position of bro. If you like her, you like her. If she's ugly and I see you like her, I will never tell you she's ugly. If she has big head but you like her, I will never tell you she has big head. I did your back, I'm your bro. We will follow you as you have chosen. Is that where your heart is, my brother? Let us go. I cannot tell you the truth. It don't even concern me. It's not my concern if she's fine. I will not even notice, to be very honest. So if you come and like, bro, see this girl, look, I like him. I'm like, hey, you like him, happy, no shaking. So what are we going to do? You want to go for happy? No problem. If you are happy, we are happy. The bro code for this week states that if you see a missed call from your bro's wife or your bro's girlfriend, call your bro first. This is a very simple code. I would like to know what you think. Then I will tell you what I think in the next video. Until next time, always remember, be your brother's keeper. Assistants. In the last video, I want to explain it in more. You will be appropriately, so that it can serve you and tight clothes.